G'day all, I've been asked to explain how I use a multi-button mouse. First, let me point out that my body is not normal. The pointer finger on my right hand had no feeling or movement for 2 years. It now has most movement and some feeling. But I'm never confident if I'm using a featherweight or maximum weight on pressing the keys on the mouse. Only thing I can be confident of is I don't have enough strength to damage the mouse. In addition, I have arthritis. I have pain in my knuckle joints and occasionally my knuckle joints lock. I first experimented with using a 6-button mouse. The mouse I used was a Logitech Speed, and as you'll see it has 6 buttons which I cycle through. Instead of using variable DPI, I replaced the DPI buttons with a spam click button and an emergency teleport Shift V. The keys I grouped into bundles of 6, and I had multiple profiles so I could swap through them. I found that 6 keys wasn't quite enough, so I went to a 12-button mouse. Here I'm only using 3 profiles, Control, Alt and Shift. I'm still using a spam click button rather than changing DPIs, which I've again fixed at 10,000. I've still got my emergency teleport on all profiles. You'll notice I've removed all my keybinds from my rotation bar. I just let that run. In addition, my keyboard, I use 1 through to 7 and Z to M. I only use the left-hand half of the keyboard, and I don't replicate those keys on the mouse. I use the Alt set, the Shift set, and the Control set on the mouse. And these I lay out 1, 2, 3 corresponds to 1, 2, 3 here. ZXC corresponds to ZXC. 5, 6, 7 corresponds to 5, 6, 7 there, and finally BNM corresponds to BNM there. So I'm using these 6, or these 6, or in the Alt set, these 6. These set will change depending upon the weapon I'm using. So if I'm using my mouse to control my actions, then I'm using rotation, the keyboard, and 1 set of mouse keys. Thank you.